都没有 WiFi 啊。Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can hear? Ah? I hope you all have done your chapter 4. Okay, please key in your attendance. Please key in your attendance. Mikia, please mute yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. Muhammad Amali also. Thanks. Okay, those just came in, please key in your attendance. Huh? We wait for another 2 minutes. Huh? Still got 4 of your friends not in yet. Okay. So today I'm going to talk about chapter 5. So I'm going to talk about 5A. Huh? Okay, I'm going to start this with a problem. Okay, this is a graph. Okay, this graph is called y equal to fx. Okay, I get this value as 3, then this value as 5. Okay, my question is, I call this shaded area as A is the area of the shaded region. Okay. State true or or on. They have changed. Okay, hold on. I'm looking for my pencil. They have updated. Okay, true or false. Hold on. This one is a pencil. No more pencil. Are you sure? Or false? Okay, thank you. Okay, state true or false for cannot again. For the following statement. Okay. A is equal to integrate 3 to 5 fx dx. True or false? Is it true or false?
True.
True. Okay. So I have someone who say true. Okay, you tell me why is it true? You explain to me, is it true? Why you say it's true?
Well, because shaded region. Because you need to take like how does it like the overestimate, like something like that. And the
Yeah.
starter is 3 and you end up with 5, right? So
Yeah.
much that.
Okay. So do you still remember when I teach you, when I say area is a scalar quantity, correct? Yeah.
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 So this is the first thing that we have to remember. Area is a scalar quantity. Okay. Then another things that I have to know, if the area bounded by the curve straight line x equal to 3 x equal to 5 and the x-axis, okay, is below the x-axis. The value of the definite integral will have positive or negative value?
Positive.
Below.
Negative.
Yes, thank you. Will have negative value. So can I say, so will is this statement correct? I know this value is less than 0. I know that if I integrate from 3 to 5 fx dx, okay, now you fill in the blank with this one, or this one. You tell me. 1, 2, or 3?
1.
Okay, it's 1. You know pretty well, am I right? So if it's less than 0, so this is less than 0. Can area be negative value?
No.
No. So can this statement be true? So this statement is false. Yeah. Because area must be more than 0. Now you understand? So, but if I change it to become like that, will this statement be true? Sorry, huh? So if I put a modulus, then it will become true. Then this one will be true. Okay. Now, so this is false. So now if I write another statement, if I write in another way, do you think is it true? This is true or false?
False.
This is, okay, false. You tell me why is it false?
Because the number 3 can't be bigger. It has to be 5 above and 3 below.
Is it necessary when you do definite integral? Is it necessary bigger number must be on top, smaller number must be below? That is not true. When I give you definite integral, it doesn't mean that the bigger number must be on top, smaller number must be below. It can be this way. So the reason that you give me that this is false, with that reason is not right. So definite integral, I can up to me to put the limit. It doesn't mean that the top have to be smaller than the bottom. Hello?
Yeah.
Is this statement true? I draw out the diagram again so that it's easier for you to refer. Hey, sorry. It should be 2, 5, am I right? It shouldn't be 3. Is it 3?
It's three.
Ah, 3, 5. Okay, sorry. 3. 3, 5. This is area A. Is this statement true? Just now, someone said false, and the reason is the top number must be bigger than the smaller number. That is not correct. So the reason that you give is not correct. Whether it's true or false, I also don't know. I need another person to tell me. Is this true or false?
True.
True. Why you say it's true? Why just now I put, okay, why just now I put this one? Is false. And now I change it like that, it become true.
See, because like
Huh?
it is reverse. Because like instead of saying area of the graph bounded from 3 to 5, it's now 5 to 3. So
Why is 5 to 3 and not 3 to 5? It's 3 to 5. When we want to find area, we always put the lower limit and the upper limit. Why? But now this one is true. Okay. Someone have told me something. Okay. Still remember when we talk about the fundamental theorem, still remember you have the fundamental theorem. This is very important. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this? Okay.
equals to FB minus FA.
Okay, how you know it's FB? So you have to make a statement first. You have to make a statement first. You say the anti-derivative of fx is fx, correct? Then you say this one integrate a to b fx dx is equal to so you always must sub the top minus the bottom, am I right? That is the meaning of definite integral. So now, if I change this, I put a negative sign out. Then I put like that, can I? So what is the meaning of this when we talk about integration? Which one should I put on top, A or B? A or B? I should put A.
Yeah.
I should put A and put B at the below. So just now, we know that. So this statement is true because just now we know that the value of is negative. Am I right? Why is it negative? Because the area is below the x-axis. Thank you. So now, I know this is negative value. So now, if I invert it, okay, this one is less than 0, correct? So now, if I invert this one will be a negative of so when you time by a negative number, it will become positive. Am I right? In this case, so that's why this is true. So clear? So when you talk about area bounded by a curve, yes, it is represented by a definite integral, but you have to look at the location of the area. So very important. That's why I start with this problem first. Are you okay? So for me, I will prefer not to use modulus. I will prefer to invert the limit. So this statement is true. Clear? Hello?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so we get all this idea clear first. Okay, so now I got another problem for you. Zero, A, B. This one I call it area P. This one I call it area Q. Area P is greater than area Q. Okay. So now is this is y equal to fx, following statement true or false. Okay. Is the following statement true or false? Question mark, sorry. 0 to b, fx dx is greater than 0. You don't have to use integration because there is no function for you to integrate. Okay. Anyone?
False.
Okay. False. Okay, give me a reason why is it false.
Okay, so first for area Q, right? Because B to O is basically taking the area of Q and then adding it to P, right? Because total area. So starting off with area Q, if let's say B is on top and A is at the bottom, that is the same example as the previous one, meaning that the value becomes a positive value, right? From a negative value to a positive value. Applying that same concept to area P, it should go from a positive value to a negative value, right?
Yeah, but you see where is the location of area P?
Yeah, it's above. It's
It's above.
positive.
Okay, so now I ask you this question. Okay, now let's have a look. I write my area P first. If I want to get my area P, what should I do?
Definite integral.
Definite integral 0 to a
Yeah.
fx dx, correct? Yeah. Am I right?
Yes.
So I don't have to invert. Why? Because area P is above the, so I take a note. Area P is above the x-axis. Okay, but if I want to get area Q, what should I do? Yeah, can I integrate from A to B?
Oh,
No, I cannot do that. Why? Because area Q is under the x-axis or below the x-axis. So I cannot. So I will have to write B on top, A below. Right?
yeah.
Okay. But so now, so that means, so that which means that if I integrate 0 to a fx dx, there's my area P. It will be greater than integrate a to b fx dx. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the question tell me so. Area P greater than area Q. Okay, now let me do the equation. Okay, inequality. So now I put 0 to a fx dx, take away a to b fx dx is greater than 0. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let me do some modification. Now, if I invert this back, I will have a negative value, correct? Can I? By the law.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Negative times negative, what do you get?
Positive.
So, no, did I? Yeah. No, I don't have to. I don't have to. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I do it. Just leave it. Okay. So now, I want to know whether this statement is true or not. You have a look at this one. Okay. Okay. So that means from integrate from a to fx dx plus, actually I can stop here. Okay, I can stop here. Okay, I will tell you why. I come back to here. You see, when you integrate from a to b, When you integrate from 0 to A, then A to B, correct? So when you integrate from 0 to B, you bypass A, correct? Am I right? So we have one rule. What is the rule? Oh, sorry. I think okay, can someone spot the mistake I put here?
So it shouldn't be on top at the
Can
first.
someone, yeah, I have made a very great mistake here. Can someone spot the mistake?
It should be,
I say this is wrong already, correct? Yet I write the same thing. So am I doing the right thing?
no,
Why no one pointed out to me? Please, don't think that I'm always right, okay? That's why when I prove until here, I feel something very wrong.
You also
Okay.
like put a negative sign.
Huh?
You also
It's
put like a negative sign.
Yeah. I did that. Okay, so I should put A to B, okay? So this should be A, this should be B. So now I change to negative sign. So this one become B, this one become A. So this one become B, this one become A. So now, have I proved? So I integrate from 0 to A, then A to B, correct? Still remember, you can combine it. You see, from here, you integrate from 0 to A, then followed by A to B. So I can straight away integrate from 0 to B. So is this statement true? Is this statement true?
Yes.
So this is a true statement. So you see how I modified the thing? So very important, you have to know if the area bounded by the curve is above, then you from the lower limit, move to the right. If the area bounded by the curve is below the x-axis, you want to get the area, you have to move from right to left. Because definite integral will carry a negative value if the area is below the x-axis. Got it? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. So now we are going to try. So you know that definite integral, if I want to find the area bounded by a curve, I must do definite integral. Am I right? Okay, so now, can I bring your attention to 5? Exercise 5A. Okay, I'm going to do one of the question with you. The rest you can use your, okay, can you please go to question 4? Can you please key this one into your graphic calculator and get the graph? Okay, put the domain as, for x, put as negative 1.5 to 1.5 and show the graph to me. After I will tell you what they want you to do. I don't like this question. Okay, have you got a graph? How is the graph look like? Can someone send? Is the graph go like that? Or I'm wrong? Hello? I'm wrong.
You're correct.
My graph is correct.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, it is.
You sure?
I didn't get this graph.
I don't think the graph is correct, no?
It's like a U shape.
Yeah, I also. The
Oh, yeah,
graph
it
is
is U
there.
shape. It is U shape.
Is it U-shape, correct?
Yes, yes.
Hit my window wrong.
Yeah. So it should be U-shape like that, am I right? Is it? And the lowest point here is 2, is it? Or no? Ah, okay, someone sent it. Thank you. I don't have my graphic calculator with me, that's why. Oh, so I'm right. But how come I got EX? Oh, okay. I cannot have negative. So, yeah, so I'm right. Okay, so you want to find the area bounded from -1 to 1. That is what the question wants you to do. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so for this case, do I need to separate into 2? No, because the whole area is above the x-axis. Am I right? The whole area is above the x-axis. So now, if I want to find the area of the shaded region, so area, so what I need to do, integrate from -1 to 1, e to the power x plus e to the power -x dx. So if the question didn't say exact value, you can just use your FNINT to get the answer. So now, if I want exact value, be careful, huh? So when you read the question, you please look for this. If exact value, then you have to integrate. Okay, can someone tell me what is the integral of e to the power x? It will be e to the power x divided by 1. Copy down the whole thing, divide by the coefficient of x, plus copy down the whole thing, divide by the coefficient of x. Okay, from -1 to 1. So you sub with 1. Okay, take away, sub with -1. Okay, so it will be e minus 1 over e. Take away, e to the power -1 is 1 over e. Take away, minus become plus. So open up the bracket. So I have 2e, take away 1 over e. So this will be exact value. Okay? Can or not? So you have to be very careful. You have to sketch the graph first. Huh? For the rest, you sketch the graph. If there is some above, some below, then you have to separate it and do. So I will leave it to you. Okay, I'm going to question 10. Do you see question 10? Okay, question 10, they give you this graph. Here should be 0 because the function is y equal to ln x. Okay, can someone tell me how do I know that here is 0? This is not given by the question. How do I know that that is a 0? Yeah, someone have typed to me. Okay, wait. Why? Just now should be 2e. Okay, yes, you are right. Thank you. Here should be a 2. Take away 1, take away 1. So take away 2 of them. Yeah, thanks. Okay, let's go to question 10. You have the question 10 with you. This is the graph. This is a function. Can someone tell me why I know that this is 0?
What?
Can someone tell me how I get a 0 here? In the question, there is no such thing here. I'm the one who put down. So what is the value for this one? Can someone tell me how to get this value?
Sure, I thought that was 1.
Oh, it's 1.
It's
not.
one.
It's 1. Sorry. It's 1. So you should tell me that it's 1, correct? So I'm wrong. The more mistake I make, the more you all know. Okay. So okay, just tell me how to get the value. Okay, that is 1. How to get that value? Anyone? Okay, I just need to put, because at this point, the y coordinate is 0. Right? So x will be e to the power 0, which is 1. So yeah, you are right. Okay, so the question said by differentiating part A, they ask you to differentiate this. So I let this be fx and is x ln x minus x. Okay, now they want you to differentiate this. You know how to differentiate this? So f prime x is equal to u v prime plus u v prime. Okay, then this is this part. Then take away, differentiate x, you get 1. Yeah. Cancel, so ln x plus 1 minus 1. So I got ln x. All right. So then they say, if I integrate ln x, what is the result? Yeah, I will get back my fx. That is x ln x minus x. All right. So now, part B. So if I want to find the shaded area of the shaded region, Okay, I will integrate. This is my function. X from 1 to 4. So what is the integral of ln x? We get it from here, plus c, okay? So definite integral, you don't have to put plus c. 1 to 4. Okay, so you sub with 4. Please do it by yourself. Sub with 4. Take away, sub with 1. Ln 1 is 0. Okay, done. Okay. Can I move on?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So now, if during the exam, I come up with a question. Okay, I come up with a question like that. I ask you to find the area of the shaded region. How are you going to do this question without the help of part A? Is it possible to get the answer? Is it possible? Okay. I will let you think for a while I give you some information. Okay, if I want to find the area bounded by the curve, x equal to something, x equal to another thing, and the x-axis, correct? So this is y equal to fx. So I will put an integral a to b fx dx. Now, if I have another situation whereby I write my x equal to fy. I can write x in terms of y, okay? So now, I let this be the limit for y, that is a to b, and I want to find this area is bounded by the y-axis. So what I can do is I can integrate from a to b, same story, fy dy, bounded by x-axis dx, bounded by y-axis dy. So I'm trying to use this to help me to solve that problem. Do you think is it possible?
What?
Can I find this area, green area, without the help of like question 10?
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Yes, yes.
So what I need to do is, why I can do that? Other than knowing this, I also know that if y if y equal to ln x, my x will be e to the power of y, correct?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So, do I know how to integrate? I know.
Yes.
So, based on this concept and this concept, by the help of it, I will know what to do. So now, what I need to do, from this point here, I'm going to jot down the coordinate of this point. So what is the coordinate of points P? The x is 4, the y is ln 4. Am I right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So here is ln 4. So I have a blue region. So the blue region plus the green region is a rectangle. Am I right?
Yes.
So how to find the area of the rectangle here? What is the width of this rectangle?
4.
What is the height of this
Ln
rectangle?
Ln 4.
Good. So it's 4 ln 4. So if I wonder, so now can I find the blue area?
Yes.
Yes.
So I can find the blue area. The blue area. So how am I going to get the blue area? Integrate. It must be the y limit. 0 to ln 4. And I must write my x in terms of y. Am I right?
Yes.
So this will be ey over 1, 0 to ln 4. So it will be e ln 4, take away e to the power of 0. Okay, give me a... Okay, so e ln 4 is 4, am I right? E to the power of 0 is 1, so this will be 3. So my green area will be the rectangle minus the blue area. Am I right? Done. Isn't it exactly like what we have just now?
Yes.
So can I come out this question in the exam? I can. So sometimes, if you don't know the integral of something, you can do it the other way around. Do you get me?
Yeah.
So you can try those questions in exercise 5A. Yep. Hello? Trigo out, don't do trigo question. Trigo will be your SAT 4. Okay? So now, if you want to find the area bounded by the curve, bear in mind, see where is the location of the area first. Okay? Okay, any further question?
None so far.
No, so far so good.
Yeah.
SAT 3 coming soon, huh? Okay, yes. Okay.
Man.
This week I will finish teaching chapter 5 already.
So
Okay.
SAT.
The moment I finish chapter 5, that is where your SAT is going to come. Okay, never mind, It's okay,
Oh
You
shit.
you have enough time to study. Don't panic. Okay, so thank you, class.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Give
miss.
me
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Yeah,
You, miss.
thank you.
you.
Mm. Yes, Nafisa Hassan. Why? Stephanie Ko. What can I do for you? Log in just for the sake of logging in.